Alam mo, sa totoo lang, gusto kong makilala sino si Mary Grace Piatos. Well, that's just part of the strategy. What I can tell you is that the number of witnesses that the defense will present, including the personality, would be closely connected with the evidence that we have and the charges as contained under the articles of impeachment. Lahat po ng presenta ng House Prosecution Team ay makakapag-support ito. Makocorroborate po niya yung mga ebidensya na ipapresenta na naayon naman doon sa mga complaints ng articles of impeachment. Yun lang po yung po pwede ko masabi sa iyo. I cannot guarantee you specifically the name and the person kasi again, that would also be the directive of the impeachment court in order to maintain the safety and security of these witnesses. Remember, we'll be discussing not only the importance of this impeachment trial, but this is highly sensitive issue because it involves the second highest official of the land. Pero ako, ang sasabihin ko sa iyo, gusto kong malaman at saka gusto kong makilala at makita si Mary Grace Piatos.